This episode, after returning from the Loyalty Islands, we set sail from Port Bouquet on the east side of New Caledonia, south towards Yate. We stop at a small island called Ilot Mamere and go to shore on the stand-up paddleboards.
Oh, he does not fit in that one.
He needs a bigger shell. Is he stuck in there? Oh, he's having a munch in there. He's having a munch inside the coconut shell. Cool. Up there in the camera. Oh! Hey, you dirty dog! Fucking hell, I got all the fucking things kicked off. Sand all over my feet. Bit more deforestation. Turn the camera off. Feel like you're in the jungle now. Okay, what are we doing this morning? Yate River Dam. We're not sure where the walking trail is, so we have to go up there somewhere or up that way. We're not sure. Hunt and seek. Where are we going, Robert? We've lost the trail. There's a riverbed which is non-existent, so we've had to go scrub. And you're not very good at commentary. We've just climbed up the waterfall, up the sheer rock face, which is straight down underneath us. No real trail. We're a bit panicky. We have to go back that way. What have you found?
We have to go all the way over here after climbing a big
climb a mountain. We head off on what we thought was a 20-minute walk to see the Yate River Dam. It became a 5-hour trek up and down cliffs and then back over the mountains.
You're out to a blue hole.
And it really is blue. Magnificently blue. The Yate Dam was created in 1959 to power the 68 megawatt hydroelectric power station. The dam walls are 45 metres high, 641 metres long, and the lake approximately 40 square kilometres. The power station supplies electricity for the main nickel company and up to 30% of the electricity supply for New Caledonia. Okay, whereabouts are we? And it was a bit of a walk. We are a bit exhausted. We've got to go down yet, all the way down the cliffs to our dinghy. How's the walk?
shit.
I was waiting for the snow caps, we got so high. Oh. The sad thing is that was actually high from the valley where it's dammed down there. We're miles around that corner. And wait, there's more. We have further to go. So we've just done our massive walk to the dam and back. And we're heading back in. Except we still have quite a bit to go. Well, the kids are bolting. They can't keep up with the old boy that's still got the fitness. So, look out, 5. Last one left is 4. And that's back at the boat. And there it is. Power station down there we've got to get to. That boat will be just around over that hill, down that valley somewhere. There is no regrets, right in there. Well, much for great relief, we've made it back to what we think is the dam, which isn't very friendly. However, we didn't allow that this was as tidal here as it is. The dinghy is high and dry. It's a very steep, slippery landslide all the way down. We're quite a few hundred metres up off the water. Oh, here we go again. Robbie lost the skin between his toes from his thongs from this walk, but he didn't complain once. After finally making it back, we race off immediately as we are later than we had planned to get through the Havana Pass.
That's a big one. Oh, that's a nice one. The change coming, the swells are picking up.
Here comes one.